Welcome back. When it comes to hurricanes, Hawaii has been lucky this year, but we are still in hurricane season, and experts say residents should not let their guard down. Joining us now with more is Tim Johns, President and CEO of Zephyr Insurance Company, and of course, joined by the lovely Kimmy. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you both. Now, Tim, what are some things that we should continue to do to prepare? Because many of us maybe let our guards down because, we're in November, we have a pandemic, elections just finished. What do you want to remind residents?
Sure. Yeah, it's still hurricane season. As you know, we have hurricane season here until November 30th. So it's good to stay a little bit vigilant towards the end. Some of us remember Hurricane Eva, and that actually started on November 19th and ended up hitting the islands during the Thanksgiving weekend, which was a real bummer for a lot of people. But that ended up, damaging close to 3,000 houses. So it can happen. I mean, we had the close call with Douglas in July. It has been kind of quiet since then, but preparedness is still the best thing. And so in terms of preparedness, it means not just getting your family prepared and have your family plan and making sure that it includes your pets like Kimmy here, as well as the hurricane kit, disaster supply kit that I have behind me. And your most important asset for most of us is your house. And so making sure that your house is prepared, now's a good time to continue to take care of the things that you need to do around your house.
And how do you prepare your house?
So I think for most people it would be just walk around your place. A lot of us are still working remotely, so walk around your house, take a look at the trees that might have overgrown recently or rubbing up against your house. Check your gutters, clean those out periodically, and then check for leaks. And if you have time, you might think about, if you have an older home like I do, you might think about retrofitting the roof. Those hurricane clips are a good idea, and that can help strengthen the roof so that once the wind starts blowing, you're not going to lose your roof, which is where much of the damage happens.
And Tim, does Zephyr reward policyholders who have taken these steps to prepare their home?
Absolutely. Right now, we offer up to a 35% discount if people have strengthened their roofs and put in certain safety supplies or safety reinforcements. And so if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 440-5400 or go online at zephyrinsurance.com or talk to your agent, and we can see about getting you that discount once those retrofittings have been done.
Is it too late to apply for hurricane insurance since we're still in hurricane season?
No, you can still buy hurricane insurance. The only time that it gets shut down, that we're not able to sell the hurricane insurance, is when a hurricane watch or warning has been issued. And up until then, you can still buy hurricane insurance if you need it. If you have a mortgage here in Hawaii, then you're required to have homeowners insurance and hurricane insurance. So most of us probably already have it, but if you don't have it and you want to take a look now, you can still buy it. For most of us in Hawaii, there are three kinds of homeowners coverages insurance. One is homeowners policy that covers almost everything except for damage from hurricane winds and flood coverage, and those require separate policies. And you can talk to your insurance agent to see which one's most appropriate for you. But like I said, if you got a mortgage, you're going to need the homeowners coverage as well as the hurricane coverage.
And anything else you'd like to add?
Just that, peace of mind is the most important these days for all of us. And knowing that you've got your house covered, if something should happen, if the wind should blow and your windows get blown in or your roof blows off, that you're able to get back to normal and get those costs reimbursed by a company like Zephyr is really worth a lot these days. Little Kimmy here, she's worried about it as well, and that's why we've got her. Many of you may know that we have commercials running sometimes for Zephyr about the three little pigs and preparedness, and so Kimmy, our little mascot here, has her little pig outfit just to show you how important it is to be like the smart little pig and have preparedness top of mind for your home.
Your home, your family, and your pets as well, right, Tim?
That's right, absolutely. We're all part of the same ohana, so make sure your pet's taken care of as well.
All righty. Thanks so much, Tim Johns with Zephyr Insurance, for joining us this morning. And thank you, Kimmy, as well.
Aloha. Thank you.
We'll break down the stories you need to know about today. That's next on Take Two. Plus,